Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use Touch App feature on Instagram Reels. There is a new editing tool on Instagram Reels that helps users to smooth their skin in videos. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can use it. Go to your Instagram profile page and click on the plus icon at the top of the screen. Select the Reel option from the pop-up menu. As soon as the camera opens, find the Touch App icon on the left-hand side of the screen and press on it. After that, use the slider in order to choose the Touch App intensity. Once you're ready to start recording, simply hit the button. Now you can apply filters, add stickers, draw or write something on your video. When you're happy with your video, click on the arrow button and share your video to Reels. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Touch App feature on Instagram Reels. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.